What if your kitchen could do more while you do less? These Amazon gadgets aren't just convenient. They're designed to save you time, cut costs, and completely upgrade how you cook every day. Smart, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. Each one solves problems you didn't even realize you had. And trust me, the last one might change your entire routine. Number one, what if your favorite ice cream wasn't something you bought, but something you created exactly the way you want? Meet the Ninja Swirl, an ice cream maker that turns simple ingredients into rich, creamy desserts with a futuristic twist. The moment you start using it, it feels effortless. You pour in your mix, choose your texture, and watch it transform into smooth, perfectly swirled ice cream right in front of you. No guesswork, no complicated steps, just consistent, satisfying results every time. What makes it truly stand out is the control it gives you. You can customize flavors, adjust textures, and create everything from light treats to indulgent desserts, all tailored to your taste. Using it feels creative, fun, and incredibly rewarding. You're not just making ice cream, you're designing your own experience. This isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a new way to enjoy dessert, where every scoop is exactly how you imagined it. Number two, meet the Suvie 3.0 Plus, a kitchen system powered by cool-to-cook technology that completely changes how meals are prepared. The moment you load your ingredients, it feels different. It doesn't rush the process, it manages it. It keeps your food chilled until the exact moment it needs to cook, then automatically shifts into action, preparing everything with precision so your meal is fresh, not overcooked or sitting for hours. What makes it truly futuristic is that timing becomes effortless. You're not watching the clock, adjusting heat, or worrying about when to start. It handles the entire flow, turning raw ingredients into a ready-to-eat meal exactly when you need it. Using it feels calm and controlled. Whether you're busy, working, or just want to simplify your routine, it removes the stress from cooking without sacrificing quality. This isn't just a cooking device, it's intelligent meal timing, designed for a future where your food works around your life, not the other way around. Number three, what if ice was no longer something you wait for, but something that's ready almost instantly? Meet the Ice Leopard X1, the ultimate rapid ice maker designed to deliver cold, refreshing moments without delay. The moment you turn it on, it feels fast. Within minutes, ice begins to form, clean, solid, and ready to use. No trays, no freezer waiting time, just a steady flow of ice exactly when you need it, whether you're hosting, relaxing, or on the go. What makes it truly stand out is the experience. It's smooth, efficient, and quietly powerful, fitting perfectly into your routine without any hassle. You don't plan ahead anymore, you just press a button and it delivers. Using it feels convenient and satisfying. Your drinks stay cold, your moments stay uninterrupted, and everything just works. This isn't just an ice maker, it's instant refreshment, designed for a faster, smarter way of living. Number four. Meet the Kitchen Mama Mini Plus, a rechargeable electric can opener that turns a simple kitchen task into something effortless and satisfying. The moment you place it on a can and press the button, it starts working on its own, gliding around the edge, cutting cleanly, and stopping automatically when it's done. No twisting, no force, no struggle. Just a smooth, hands-free experience. What makes it truly stand out is how safe and convenient it feels. The cut is clean and smooth, leaving no sharp edges, and its compact design makes it easy to store or carry wherever you need it. Using it feels simple, fast, and surprisingly enjoyable. You're not dealing with manual effort anymore. You're letting smart design do the work for you. This isn't just a can opener. It's a small upgrade that makes everyday life easier, one simple action at a time. Number five. What if cutting food felt almost effortless, like the blade was doing the work for you? Meet the 369 Sonic, the world's first ultrasonic kitchen knife that brings a whole new level of precision into your hands. The moment you start using it, you notice the difference. It glides through ingredients smoothly, reducing resistance and delivering clean, precise cuts without crushing or sticking. From delicate foods to tougher textures, everything feels controlled and refined. What makes it truly futuristic is the ultrasonic technology working beneath the surface. It minimizes friction, keeps cuts cleaner, and makes the entire process feel faster and more efficient, almost like upgrading the way a knife interacts with food. Using it feels smooth, satisfying, and surprisingly effortless. You're not forcing the cut anymore, you're guiding it. This isn't just a knife, it's a smarter way to prepare food, where precision and innovation come together in every slice. Number 6. What if one device could replace your entire kitchen and still cook better than you ever could? Meet the Thermomix TM7, a smart cooking system that transforms the way meals are prepared, guided, and perfected. The moment you start using it, everything feels different. It's not just mixing or heating, it's managing the entire cooking process for you. From chopping and stirring to precise temperature control, it handles each step with accuracy you can actually trust. And it adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're trying something new or cooking a familiar dish, it simplifies complexity and turns it into something enjoyable. Using it feels effortless and empowering. You're not overwhelmed in the kitchen anymore, you're creating with confidence. This isn't just a cooking appliance, it's a complete kitchen experience designed for a future where technology and creativity come together in every meal. Number 7. Meet the Feppo Handheld Vacuum Sealer, a compact device designed to lock in flavor, quality, and freshness anytime, anywhere. The moment you use it, it feels incredibly simple. Place it over the bag, activate it, and watch the air disappear as your food gets perfectly sealed. No bulky machines, no complicated setup, just a quick, clean process that preserves what matters. What makes it truly stand out is its portability. Whether you're traveling, meal prepping, or storing leftovers, it gives you control over freshness without being tied to a single space. Using it feels efficient and satisfying. You're not worrying about waste or spoilage anymore. You're extending the life of your food with ease. This isn't just a sealer, it's a smarter way to protect what you eat wherever life takes you. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.